Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys ways to refill your stamina in Disney Dreamlight Valley. You can go to other characters' houses and you can like sit on their like bed or chair. Here, lounge. I think you can. As you can see, your stamina will fill up slowly though. It is faster if you go back to your house and do it. You can also eat some foods or drink something to fill up your stamina, which I like doing because it is the fastest way to do so. Sorry, it's just taking a long time to load. Cause my Dreamlight Valley is in the hard disk. Okay, there we go. Whoa, that just appeared out of nowhere. So I like to just collect some raspberries. If I go to my inventory and I eat some, as you can see, my stamina will fill. But if you eat some food, for instance this 5-star one, your stamina will overfill and you can actually run, well not run, but like glide using the shift on your keyboard. As you can see, you'll be able to reach your destinations a little bit faster. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!